Hiya everyone, I hope you're keeping well. I have been busy at work and I've finally got a load of time off. I feel inspired and happy and ready to do some makeup looks because when I'm quite tired after work, it's the last thing I want to do. Plus I've always got a bit of mascara on, so I haven't been doing many videos and a lot of you are asking where I am. Thank you, you are lovely. I'm still here, I've just been working. So I've got practically all of December off, so I'll be doing some looks. Today is my first day off. I've got a week off holiday booked because it's Martin's 50th on the 28th, so we've got stuff planned for that, and so we'll always take time off for around birthdays and stuff. I've got to be quick today because I'm going to Newcastle with my friend and she'll knock any minute and then set the dogs off, so I'm going to have to be really quick. I've got a quick look for you just now. I thought I'm going to do my makeup. So I haven't done makeup in such a long time, you know. I just don't bother. A bit of mascara maybe if I'm going to work. Yesterday I actually wore eyeliner, which is unusual because I can't be bothered. Especially if I'm in a hurry. It always goes wrong. But I want to show you these quick as well. I'm going to be using these today. My lovely friend Lisa sent these for me when I had COVID. She heard that I had COVID and she sent them as a little cheer up. And isn't it lovely? She knows I love colour, but they're MAC, they're so expensive. Bless you, Lisa, thank you. I know I've already thanked you, but I'm going to thank you again for thinking of us and getting us these. You're just lovely, really. She's such a true friend, lovely. And the colours in it are beautiful. Now, I've took the plastic things out, so I don't know the names of them, but I'll go through them properly in a different video. But look at them, they're just stunning, aren't they? And then this one is beautiful as well. This is the colour one. Look at that. I will be doing that and that today, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. Right, but I do need to get cracking, so I'm yabbering on a bit. I hope you can see everything properly. I see if I don't know, I feel like I'm quite low down for you today. Let's put it up a little bit because the top of my head's chopped off. That's it. Is that better? Can you see everything now? Yeah? Right, let's go. So, off we go. I've got my foundation on already. I just need a base now for my eyes. Where is it? There, it's right in front of us. My foundation I use is Dalton Beauty. I love it. Just put a little bit of this on. So I've been really busy with work. In the middle of September I had COVID. Horrible. Absolutely worst. It was just awful. The first week was aches and pains. And I mean aches. Like you just wanted to cut your limbs off. It was awful. It even hurt to even lie down in bed. Nothing helped. And then, you know, like lethargy and just, you could tell you had a cold. But then you just think you're getting better, and then, oh look, the sun's coming up at the back here. You just think you're getting better, and then bang, a whole week of relentless headaches just wouldn't shift no matter what I did. And then the breathing, oh my God, I couldn't breathe, it was awful. I got really worried, I rang the doctor. They didn't seem worried because I could still talk to them, so I thought, well, there's a good thing, I suppose. But I could literally, I couldn't get a breath. It was horrible and I was panicking. I got really upset and worried, but all is well. I'm fine now, but I still can't taste or smell very well, so that's not good. Now I have a brush. I'm going to go in with this flat brush and we're going to go in with this orange here. Let's just get it on. There we go. I've had to take my engagement ring off because let's put our orange there, because it's affecting my finger. I'm going to need to heal. Look at that, so sore. Can you see it? Really sore, just rubbing on it because it's constantly, because it's I lost weight after I'd got sized and I'd picked a bigger size, panicking that I would get it trapped on my finger, so it rolls around, so I've got to wear them ring sizer things. And because it's had the engagement ring had a big head on it, it rolls even more and it's just rubbed off onto my little finger, so it's really sore. I'll take that off and put it somewhere safe for now until it heals. This is lush, this colour. I love orange. It will make, actually, you know what? It'll look gorgeous with brown eyes. If you've got blue eyes, it's going to make them pop. And if you've got green eyes, it makes them more green. I haven't worn makeup like this in ages, honestly. Because I don't know. Things get in the way of rushing around. I've been doing earlies as well, because before me rota I could come in at 11 and do like more days but later, but I've been doing early, and when I have to get there for 8 in the morning and I'm walking to work every morning, It's about 35-40 minutes. I haven't got time to do my makeup in the morning, and it's the last thing I want to do. So hopefully got some time to myself now, and I can get them done. Right, I'm going to just, this is actually a concealer brush, I think. It's beautiful, Doll10 Beauty products, really gorgeous, love them. We're on 5 minutes, that's not bad, we're getting there. I need to keep this short and sweet for today, but then obviously when I do the next one, I'll be a little bit more, we'll have a bit more time on my hands. So on top of that, I wanted to go in with, how shall I put it a little bit higher? Oh, I just keep finding all these brushes. I've got a bag of all sorts. I need to do a massive brush wash. I've just dumped them aside as I go and thought, right, I'll sort them out later. And then later never came because I'm like knackered. So that's what I need to do. I need to set aside a good hour to get all my brushes washed, ready for some new videos. Now, I'm going to go in with this one on top of it. And I've been messing about already, as you can see, having a little look on the back of my hand, doing swatches. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I've got to tell you. Oh yeah, I'm 40 in December. So I've got a month. I did low carb or keto. I did it for quite a while. And I thought after a couple of months, my cycles, I was getting angrier and angrier. And just not feeling happy at all. Like super duper sensitive. And I thought maybe it was because, you know, my serotonin was low. And then I stumbled across some research that says when you do keto, it can lower your testosterone. It can lower your serotonin. So it's not ideal for people who've got low serotonin levels already, which I think I probably do have, because sometimes I can get a little bit down, especially when my vitamin D was really low. I felt really low. But I've started eating a lot of carbs again, rice and chips. And I've got to stop because it's actually changed my figure. So my weight stayed the same, but my figure hasn't. It's changed and I don't like it. I need to get rid of that because I want to be my best for my 40th. That's my little present to myself. So I've got just over I've got about a month because it's the 8th of December on my birthday, and I want to look as best I can. So I'm going to do my best. Now, I've done that. What do you think? It's lovely, that. I love it. Just need a bit more, I think. Stick a bit more on there, I think. Get on there. Now, underneath, I'm going to do a little bit of a different colour. Shall I go a bit darker? I might go into this palette. Can you see everything I'm doing? It's very light. Oh, and look, I've got loads more grey hair since the last time I saw us. Right. I think I'll go in with that one there. So it's not completely orange, but it's like, you know, tonal. And I'm going to pop a little bit of that on. Oh, that's nice. Should have used a different brush. Ooh. I don't want a lot. And I will have to get this off my cheek. I don't want glittery cheeks. So we're going to go for a walk first. Get a cup of coffee fresh along the beach. And then we're off to Newcastle. We always do like we did girly shopping in Sunderland last week, and I bought a hairband. I'm not a hairband wearer, but I bought one. But every time I put it on, I think it just doesn't look like me. I feel weird in it. But I suppose that's because I don't wear it and I need to get used to it. Does anyone else get like that? Like if you, I don't know, even this makeup look, it's already making us think, whoa. Because I'm not used to wearing makeup at the minute. But I know once I get back into it, I'm alright. But I just feel really weird sometimes wearing stuff that I wouldn't normally wear. Like I'm wearing a super dry jumper dress today with black tights and my black Nikes. I love my super dry dresses, but I've not worn them in a long time, so I feel a bit weird. It's really strange. Does anyone else get like that? I'm going to go with Glossier. And I'm going to just line, this is where it always goes wrong. But I decided if it goes wrong, it goes wrong. There's nothing I can do about it. See, I haven't done eyeliner. I did it yesterday, but until then, Haven't done it in months. Seriously. I just don't have time in the mornings. And guaranteed I'd get one eye done and then the other eye would go wrong, and then I've got to take it all off and then I'm late for work. So I just think, what's the point? Can you see? Oh, look at the light. It's lovely and light though. Really gorgeous day. I'm glad I'm off. Poor Martin's still at work, but he finishes work today and then he's off until, so we're both off until the 1st of November now. We've got loads of time together, which we'll love. There we go. Just. Thank you. Someone is looking after me today, I think. Hang on, not yet. Don't speak too soon, Lauren. I've noticed as well, my eyes are, what shall I say? They're not as youthful as they used to be. So when you're putting your eyeliner on, it gets a bit crepey. Oh, this isn't good, is it? Shall I put the blind down? Yeah. We don't need that, do we? That's better. Now I've got a funny chin. I'll put that there. There we go. Oh, that's better. I should have done that at the start of the video. Sorry. You know me. You know what I'm like. Anyway, I'm going to do this because it's quick. Brows, number 7. Just get a bit of colour in there and I'm going to brush that in. Again, I haven't put anything in my brows for so long. Oh, that's a bit much, isn't it? Get out of it. It's a bit dark. I need my mascara on, I can tell. I've got this new pillow. I call it a boomerang pillow, but it's not. It's you know, that's better. It's one of those you know, like triangular pillows. Because then I can sleep upright. It's dead comfy, like I cuddle into it. But what happens is, it's making me eyebrow curl right up on this side where I sleep. And it doesn't match the other side anymore. These need sorting out. These are like unruly and not on trend. Not like the caterpillar eyebrows today where they're all done. That's another thing, the P. Louise stuff. I haven't even managed to do much of that. I've got to do it because go away next year to do our practicals. Don't even know what's happening. So I've got to get that sorted. Oh, these are a bit thick. Don't know if I like that. They're a bit dark. Get your eyes on, Lauren, and then see what you think. Right. Do we need... Yes, we do. We're going to go with some black eyeliner underneath. Don't usually do this, but we're going to do it. I just want, you know, something completely out of my comfort zone. I feel like I need to push myself today. Again, I don't wear this here because as I'm getting older, I just feel that black on your lower lash line. You've got to be careful. Can't explain it. It just doesn't feel right anymore to me. And I feel like I need to move that out. Hang on. Oh. They're a little bit bong-eyed, but who cares? It's only a quickie. This stuff I need to take back off because I love this stuff. But when you buy a new one, there's so much fluid, like formula in there. And it just sticks to your lashes and makes them gunky and rotten. So I find that the least on here the better. Oh, and I haven't slept properly for what feels like months now, and I honestly keep getting my words jumbled up. I kind of get my words out and forgetting sentences halfway through. Need some sleep. Oh no, so it's done it again. That's when I need that other one, the old one. I did have a new one and an old one so that I could take the excess off. Oh, never mind. We'll try our best. I don't like scary lashes. It gives you really good lashes, don't get us wrong, but the formula is so thick on the new ones. That it just, I don't know, it separates them a bit too much. I like them to be a little bit closer together. Right, hang on, see if I can sort this out. No, made it worse. Come on. It's made it worse. Look at that. I don't want them that separated. What have I got? Have I got an old mascara? I might have actually. Oh, hang on, what's that? That's just going to mess it up more. I need an old mascara. What have I got? Ah, no. Have I got any mascara on here? Let's have a look. Oh, right, this is old. That might work. Let's have a look. Put a bit more on here first and then we'll get cracking. Come on, I need to separate it. That's not working the way I wanted it to. Oh no, that's just going to clunk it even more, isn't it? Is it? This is where it goes completely wrong. Watch. Oh, hang on. Come on, please. Spider legs it is. No. I think I'm going to have spider legs today. I'll have to take it off and start again, which I could do. I might do that actually. Yeah, look at that. They're a bit... Whew. Now, some blush. Have you heard the birds? Something's happening out there. Let's use this one, I think. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Use that one. A little coffee coloured set. I'll put some links up for you. I'm still an affiliate. So if you use my code, you get discount. And I get like a little bit of a... Ooh. A little bit of a... What is it? I get a little bit of money. And the brushes are gorgeous. Everyone who's bought them is over the moon with them. Just putting a little bit on my cheek just to highlight it. I don't even know what I'm going to put on my lips. Am I going to bother? I don't know. I need to do some looks for you with my P. Louise stuff. Don't I? Now, I found this. Oh yeah. Speaking of which, oh, what's happening with the light now? This room. Oof. Still haven't finished painting it. It's all up in the air here. It's like, there's all, see there's the P. Louise boxes. I need to get in them and sort them out properly. Found this. This one's P. Louise, So You Can. Is that the colour of it? Achieve the, yeah, So You Can, I think. We're going to use this on the lips. It'd happen if it would help if I squeezed it out. There we go. It quite, there we go. It stays and all. It stays put. I don't like a lot on. I don't like a lot on my lips at all. I don't like anything. Just let that dry. See, it's a bit, for me, I don't know, it's made my teeth look yellow. Don't know if I like that, but hey, maybe put a bit of colour on there. I'm going to use a bit of this NARS. This one is Flamingo Coral. Ooh, it's 20-minute video this. I think I just heard my friend beep outside. That's better. That's give a bit. What is going on? Can you see the makeup look? Yeah, there we go. I hope you've enjoyed this little bit. Oh my god, I need to get my hair dyed. Dear me, Lauren, I didn't realise there was so many there. I kind of plucked them out. I'm not even going to try. So, oh, look what I've done. I've made a mess. Can I take this anyway? See, it's so wet, the eyelashes. But there we go. I'm all done. I should have put a bit more. I want some contour, to be honest, but I haven't really got time. Whatever. I kind of change things once it's on. Not in a hurry anyway. Right, I really hope you have enjoyed this. Stay tuned, because I've got a month off and I can do some more filming. I'm looking forward to it. Oh, that hair, I need to do something with that. Anyway, I really hope you're keeping well. Take care and I shall see you all soon. Zoom, zoom.